आता पळोवया गोयच्या बाकीच्या वाठारांतल्यो कांय खबरो.
दाबोळे NAD रस्त्यावेले डिवायडर पयली भशेन करपाचें काम चल्लां. थंयच्या लोकांनी आपल्या सोयी प्रमाण डिवायडराचे फातर काडून ह्या रस्त्यावेल्यान त्या रस्त्यार वचपाक म्हूण रस्तो मेकळो केल्लो. ताका लागून थंय एक्सिडेंटूय जावंक लागिल्ले. जुवारी जंक्शना लागसारच्या डिवायडराचे कांय फातर काडून टेम्पररी वाट करपाचें काम चल्लां. हें फकत सिग्नल येयसर.
People who are residing, they must have overnight this. They have to open it. So this has been continued, and many people have lost their lives. That is the reason, with the Honorable Minister, Panchayat Minister, who took the initiative for closing and helping us NHI to close this. So today is the day when we have decided to close it permanently.
And new opening is?
That new opening which is there near gate number 3, that is a temporary basis. Once the signal is done at both the junctions, MS College and Bogmalo junction, then that will be closed.
आम्ही क्लोज करताली. हे क्लोज केले काय हिंगा काय त्रास जावपा ना. ट्रॅफिक अतिशी गोवन फुडें जंक्शन उक्तें केला ओल्ड जुवारी गेट ते केले म्हणटच कांय त्रास जावपा ना.
आनी हांगा सिग्नल बी जाय पडटले लोकांक ते सिग्नलाचे कितें केला?
सिग्नलूय आमी करतले. दोनी कडेन सकल जाले म्हणटच आतां हांवें इन्स्ट्रक्ट केला नॅशनल हायवे म्हाका एकदां डिझायन दिले हांव ताबडतोब ते करतलो दोनी सकल. ते म्हणटा तांकां 6 म्हयने लागतले. हांवें जाल्यार म्हाका फक्त डिझायन दी. म्हाका डिझायन दिल्यार हांव 2 म्हयने भितर करतलो.
नदी अभियाना खाला गोंयांत न्हंयो वाचोवपाच्या हेतान वेअर ब्लू रॅली फॉर रिवर्स जागृती जाली.
Being an Indian, I feel it's our responsibility to be aware of what's happening around us, and my support is to the depleting rivers, and my support is to Sadhguru for what he's doing, and I think he's doing a great job.
We are creating this awareness as an Isha Foundation is trying to create this awareness through us volunteers, is because many of the rivers across India are in really bad state. The waters are depleting. Some of the rivers which were perennial are now only seasonal. That means whenever there is no rainfall, they just dry up. So it's a very sorry state of many rivers like Narmada, Tapi, Godavari, Brahmaputra, and because all these rivers are not glacier rivers, they don't get water from the glaciers, but they're all forest fed rivers. So since the vegetation is dying around the rivers are dying. So what Sadhguru, the founder of Isha Foundation, has done is he is trying to put a policy forward whereby there will be plantation across the rivers on both sides for 1 kilometer on each side of the river, so that the water will come back to all these rivers.
LICचो विमो सप्ताह पणजे 1 सप्टेंबरा सावन सुरू जालो. ह्या सप्ताहा निमतान LICचो स्टाफ आनी कन्सल्टंटांक शुक्रारा मार्गदर्शनाची कार्यावळ जाली.
We were giving 12% interest on Jeevan Action when the bank interest rate was 13 or 14%. Bank interest rate has come down to 6 or 7%, but LIC is continuing to pay 12% rate of interest, and all those policies sold earlier. We have not stopped. We have not told the customer, now see the interest rate has gone down and now we will not be able to pay that much of interest rate. We are continuing to pay 12% on our Jeevan Action sold earlier. So LIC is the institution which committed whatever promises LIC delivers.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.